Hi, I'm Brian Grove. I'm the program coordinator of the Bachelor's of Science Horticulture Program in the College of Design, Architecture, Art, and Planning at the University of Cincinnati. We've been, cultivating plants for centuries, and specifically horticulture is about the improvement of plants, selecting, development, production, and plants for food uses, for ornamental characteristics, for beauty, aesthetics, medicine now with the industry expansion into cannabis that is being used for medicines. We need a balance of education and things that can get us outdoors. So I think if you're, an intelligent person, if you've gone through your high school program and you're decent at math, you're interested in chemistry, biology at some level, those were the things that really got me. We're very focused on the end goal, which is building a career for a student, and we wanted to start building the pathway. So my focus is on getting students some education, getting them some real world experience through internships or part-time jobs. So now you have a little bit of a platform to share your skills when you start to go to look for a job. And many of our students are working while they come to school. They might have a part-time job, some work full-time. And we try to accommodate our curriculum around their busy schedule. So most of our classes are in the afternoon or early evening to accommodate that. We have lots of employers here locally that are looking for students to work in the profession. So it's all about networking, it's building a resume, getting the educational background that you need. Our curriculum is designed to allow students to get certificates and minors at no additional credit hour above the 120. So you as a student can have the state minimum 120 hours, credit hours for a bachelor's degree, but you also get a minor and potentially a certificate in a bachelor's degree. So that's amazing. If you had a business minor and you have a bachelor's in horticulture, you're gonna have a 2-year plan with parks. You'll be in a botanical garden, management, it could be within a design firm. And then really the third sector is plant production, and that could be in nursery management, greenhouse management, and things of that sort. And then just more recently, an area that we want to start providing pathways for our students is more, again, along the idea of being in DAAP, is this garden communication tools, right? So creating video content, creating blogs, and working with websites and things of that sort. There's $1 billion industry in this garden resources and communication activities. We find that our students come from a lot of different diverse backgrounds. Some of them are transferring in from community college. And by the way, we have a full articulation agreement with several community college, which means all of your credits transfer into our program seamlessly. So it's just about going in and applying for the application and completing that process. And then we have a small vetting process to make sure you meet the minimum qualifications. And then we have opportunities to meet students through our admitted Bearcat days. We have college close-ups. So any of those opportunities you want to come and learn more about our opportunities here in horticulture. So if you're interested in travel across the country, I think there's lots of opportunities within the profession in lots of different places. And for me, it was all about the plants. I fell in love with trees. So if you like being in the outdoors, if you have a connection with nature and plants in particular, I think this is a really great opportunity to expand those horizons and develop a career that will be both financially rewarding for you, but stimulating intellectually and enjoyable. Ultimately, you spend so much time at work that you want your work to be rewarding, fulfilling, exciting, and accommodating for your individual needs. So I think we have a lot to offer in the Bachelor's of Horticulture based on those reasons and requirements of what we do in the profession. So if you're interested, reach out to us here in DAAP, and we'd be happy to connect you to the right steps.